Hey, Novalites. I'm just walking around my spacious superstar suite. Hope nothing happens to the gravity.
Now, gravity. Turn off the gravity.
Epic fall into outer space, don't fail.
Timing, people. When Nova says gravity, you turn off the gravity and up she floats. Okay, you've got it. You're dreadful. I love you.
Yeah, I'm not sure I'm okay messing with the ship's gravity.
Come on, Captain. It'll be funny.
Well, if you think it'll be funny, brace yourselves!
No turning off the gravity, thank you very much. I'm still finding sticky toffee pudding on the ceiling from last time. Oh, hello.
McLaren, this is Hector, the director. He's helping me make epic fail videos.
It's a travesty. My life is torture.
It's not going great.
Why does nothing ever go wrong around here?
I'm organising Kid Songwriter's birthday party. Could you sign this, Nova?
There. Do you want a selfie? Oops. Sorry. Habit.
Next on the list, invites, giant cake, decorations, magician.
McLaren loves arranging things.
It's like it's my birthday. But it's a surprise. So no telling and no accidentally saying calling Kid Songwriter. Cool? Yes. I wondered if you wanted to record an album of nursery rhymes.
Is my name Kid Nursery Rhymer?
No, it's Kid Songwriter. Kid Songwriter.
Nursery rhymes. So childish and boring.
Handy little trick there. He detests nursery rhymes.
I'll sign that too, shall I?
Did you?
Wait your turn. Sid, you signed it already.
Yep, with squeezy ketchup.
I'm the captain. I should sign first.
I'm the superstar. I should have gone first.
Look, it doesn't matter who goes first. I penciled in where each of you should sign. Oh, Nova, you've put yours in the wrong place.
All the places are over places.
Did you?
Back! We need to start over.
Did you? You get your turn.
Look at this squabbling. The star, the manager, the captain and his robot limb, the distracted crew and the tiny songsmith, the six.
What? What?
You're bizarre. You're dreadful. You're wonderful. Forget pretending to make epic video fails. We should be making a reality TV show.
Okay, I've told the captain that Sid wants to steal his job.
Hideous. Wonderful. Action.
Sid, how's that seat for you?
It's fine, but very comfy.
You wouldn't rather be sitting in the captain's chair!
Drama. Great and terrible.
Viewers will love it.
Oh, viewers. All those eyeballs watching. I'm not sure how comfortable I am being on camera.
Oh, you're just a bit self-conscious. Soon you won't even notice this.
Your cameras are making me forget how to behave naturally.
The views are in for our first episode. They're incredible. It's appalling. I love it.
Eat that, Johnny. This Nova Life is a hit.
Nova, do you really want to watch everyone being unhappy?
They're not really unhappy. It's just for the show.
And we have to go bigger, better, bolder. We have to create the ultimate drama.
Or don't. Maybe people would enjoy just watching Nova with her friends, texting the captain or calling Kid Songwriter. Kid Songwriter! I, just thought you might want to play with some dolls.
Is my name Kid Doll Player? Dolls. Dolls. With their eyes, their strange, frozen, untrusting eyes.
Of course. For big drama, we need a big event. Kid songwriters party.
Yes, Hector. Imagine it all going wrong. Completely ruined.
A kid songwriter outburst. A tiny tantrum from the tunesmith. It'd be horrible. Wonderful.
Who wouldn't want to watch that? Oh, no, you don't. I've organised this perfectly. I won't allow it.
This reality show can't go on any longer. I absolutely refuse.
Calling kid songwriter. Surprise! Happy birthday!
Dolls! Dolls!
Snacks? We've got cucumber sandwiches filled with cucumber, layered between cucumber, on a cucumber bed, on a plate, made out of cucumber.
Cucumber. The worst of all vegetables. Wait. What's that music?
Like it? It's my nursery rhymes album. I'm playing it on a loop.
No! It's horrible! Horrible!
Sorry I'm late. I couldn't find the door.
I didn't make that one happen. When McLaren's away, things can just go brilliantly wrong. Like those crew I upset.
However, there's still one more surprise to come. One not even Nova Jones knows about.
Sorry, Hector. What? A surprise I didn't know about. A massive, giant cake? Chef Dinders must have fixed his measurements.
Have an awesome birthday, an awesome birthday, kid songwriter.
Ew! Johnny, he was not on my guest list. You organised this.
But of course, it's fabulous. It's dreadful. It's what everyone wants from reality TV. Everyone upset. Everyone.
Hector, you made Johnny's epic fail videos. They're epic fakes.
It's true. It's all true. I've been making fake content for years. I hate myself. I love my work. I can't stand the lies. I adore them.
I've made everyone feel terrible trying to beat Johnny's videos. And they weren't real.
Yeah, but take a look at my likes and subscribes. Awesome.
Enough. Enough drama.
It's time the truth came out. Long ago, I was the crochet kid. I got super famous from that one video, and it's totally genuine. But once I had a hit, I had to keep making more and more. I wanted those views so badly.
I said enough drama. McLaren, it's me, Nova Jones. You were right. I've epically failed, and I need you to epically fix it, like you always do. Everything only goes right for me because of you.
Nova, you're on mute. I didn't hear any of that.
Please, if you come home, I promise, no more fake reality show. No more manipulating and causing trouble. No more filming anything.
You're filming this right now.
Nova Jones is facing the toughest decision of her life. Will she turn off the cameras and get her sister back, or keep rolling and broadcast the greatest reality television drama ever made in the history of the...
Whoa, this is incredible.
Of course this party's incredible. McLaren organised it. And best of all, no cameras.
Where are the monarchy today?
Ah, they're still sat waiting in their own cakes.
So, Sid, no more truth-seeking reaction videos.
Oh, the truth's all uncovered. No more Sid's Fits debunking videos from me.
Well, I guess if there's no cameras, I can take this thing off.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hold on, Captain. That's giving me an idea for a new Sid Vids channel. Unboxing videos.
No cameras, Sid. No cameras!
Come on, Captain.
A gift, kid songwriter. I hope this makes up for things.
A crochet piano cover?
I've realized faking reality and cheating epic fails. I hate it. It's awful. I'm sad. It's terrible. But when I was doing crochet, I loved it. It's fabulous. I'm a natural. I'm happy.
Of course I knew they were planning a second surprise party for me. I know everything.
I'm just happy I made it up to everyone. I'll never treat my life like it's a show again. After all, what kind of brilliant, terrible people want to watch me causing trouble week after week?